Have you ever felt so lost in life that you're literally having everything that you once wanted, but you still feel trapped and you feel like you no longer feel to do the things that once made you feel happy or once excited you? So, this video is not just about why I left my job, but it's more about what made me leave my job. 2 years back, this job was the only thing that literally mattered to me, and I still remember the days when I used to get frustrated and anxious in my hostel, thinking that when will the offer letter come and when will the joining letter come, because it literally took me 1 year to actually get onboarded. And I still remember the time when I had only this option with me because I had not planned for my masters, neither I was looking for it. So doing a job and going to this company was the only dream I had at that point. And at that point it felt like if I'm having this job, it would mean a lot to me. So honestly speaking, the time I have spent inside this job has been good. I have done everything, I have bought everything that I could, I have spent on every luxury that I once wanted, and I could not feel more better about myself, because the day you start to earn your own money, that is the best day for you. So I literally bought all of the items that I once wanted, started to invest in more and more things for myself, which actually made me happy and made me feel like, yes, I am an independent person now. And things were really going good until one day came. Until one day when I found myself extremely sad, anxious, and depressed. And that was the day I really tried to ask myself that what was the reason that is making me to do this, and what is the reason I am still doing this if it's not something that is making me happy. So days went by and I was feeling more and more anxious. Daily I used to have one mental breakdown while doing the job, because I was not in a habit to do just something that I was not enjoying. I used to just sit in the night hours because I was in a night shift project, and I was used to sit in the afternoon shift, and things got so worse that it started to affect my mental health so much, and I did not even know that where should I go, whom should I ask for help, because I was all alone at my home doing the work, sitting in front of the laptop and not knowing that where should I actually go to and whom should I actually ask for help. And that was the day I really started to ask myself so many questions, that is this the job you really wanted to do, and is this a job that is making you happy? And if you're having so much of mental breakdowns daily, then what is the reason you're actually doing this job for? Is it only the money that you're getting a salary, you can buy everything that you can, or is it something that is really wanting you to stay in this? And that was the day that I really decided that I need to figure out what is my purpose of life, and I really want to just stick to a job that is not just making me happy. So when I was in college, I used to see all of these people who would get their dream companies, but would also leave the dream companies after a certain period of time, and it would make me wonder that what might just have happened, that they have lost their jobs, or maybe they have decided to just leave their jobs, and what could be the reason behind it. Because obviously if someone is going to the dream company and if it's their dream, so why would they eventually leave the company? Until I started to working and I had answers to each and every question of them, that why really and what really makes people resign their jobs. It's not something that you have to do something of your own and you are not able to make out time, and apart from doing 9 to 5, there are also many things that you really are interested in. So when you are doing a 9 to 5, you barely even get time to do all of these things. But that is not the only reason that can make you to leave a job. There are a number of reasons where really no one even talks about. So that was the time when I really started to question myself, that why I am feeling in a certain way, because it's just a job. If I am doing this like a job, it could not make my mental health more and more worse, until it started to affect my mental health daily. I was just enclosed in my home for a year just now also. So I was just sitting in front of the laptop. My actual world, actual interest had all ended. It was only 3 months of the notice period when I started to actually enjoy the life, and I started to actually being me, because I had lost myself in this whole year. I did not even knew what kind of person I was before this. I stopped to taking care of myself. I didn't even did things that I once wanted. I stopped to take pictures. I stopped posting on Instagram. I stopped doing all of the things that I once wanted. My daily routine would be just sitting in front of the laptop, having so much of mental breakdowns, people judging and me negatively just judging myself that I am not worth it of this job and I'm not doing enough and I do not even know what can happen after this. So I never really knew that leaving a job would be so hard, because when I was in college, I used to think that it's just a corporate job and if I don't want to continue with it, I can just go and leave it. But it's not the case until and unless I really started to work, and it's been months, 3 months, 4 months that I have been in this dilemma that I should resign or I should not. So it's a very tough decision when you really want to leave a job, and it's not an easy decision because you have so many negative thoughts inside your mind that you do not have any backup plan. And what if the things that you really want to pursue in life do not work? You might not be having any financial benefits with you. You would be just broke and you would not be left with any money. So just like everyone, it was a really hard decision for me to just come to a conclusion, and I started to question myself and I started to ask myself so many questions in a negative way, that am I not worth it and am I doing things wrong, and why things are happening negatively towards me, why are people questioning me again and again, why I have been questioning about my work and am I not doing this properly. And it started to affect me in such a way that I used to have daily mental breakdowns, and I used to open the laptop and I knew that this day also I'm going to have a mental breakdown again, because it became a ritual. I have to wake up, I have to do maybe a night shift or I have to do maybe an afternoon shift, and it kept on going and I never knew that I was becoming trapped. I was just in a room not going anywhere because my mental health became so worse and things started to becoming so worse that I felt trapped inside my mind. And literally because of this, I had lost everyone around me. Neither had no one to go out with, neither had no one to share with, because things were just happening to me and I was not knowing that how to deal with it and how to actually go and make people understand that this is what really happening with me. Then until one day, a day came when I had just returned from somewhere. I opened my laptop, saw one mail which made me more anxious. It gave me a huge mental breakdown and I still question myself that what is exactly happening, and I'm trying to do the best of me and I'm trying to do everything that I can give to this job and I'm trying to improve day by day, but still why things are going against me. And that was the day when I called my friend and told him that I cannot bear this anymore and I'm not enjoying this. And that was the day I just wrote my resignation letter and I just decided that why not to just leave this job and then figure out that what I actually want to do with my life. So that was the moment and that was the day when I finally decided that I'm not going to continue with this job anymore, and I couldn't just put so much of pressure on my mental health. And daily I used to have mental breakdowns, and daily I used to say to my friends and to the people near my or close to me that I'm not able to do this anymore and it's having a huge impact on my mental health. So I couldn't even believe that a job could make you so much stressed, because when I was in college I also used to think that why even people say that 9 to 5 can also become toxic, because literally it can make you feel so much of trapped that you will no longer feel like to do the things that you once wanted. And the same exact reason happened with me, and until one day I really thought that even if I leave this job nothing will happen. The company is still working, the people, the colleagues of mine are still working, nobody even gives a shit if you go and just leave your job. Nobody really cares about you, and it's your life and it's you that can really take a decision for yourself. And that was a moment when I really asked myself that just now what is that one thing that is actually making you happy. And to be honest, my job was not the thing that was making me happy. The only fear that I had while leaving this job, that what will I actually do after this, because I really did not felt to go and pursue another job or maybe go into corporate again. I really wanted a break for myself. And another
another question was, what might people say that why are you leaving a job that is paying you and you're just at your home, you can spend whatever you want, but what is the exact reason that you are not continuing with this job anymore? And all of these questions were something that were really making me wonder that should I or should I not, but things really started to make sense until I started to think that it's just a job. So now I'm at a point in life that I'm feeling extremely happy for leaving that, and it's not even a day, literally, it's not even a day when I thought that I should just go back and do that job again and just enter into that, and maybe there was something wrong within me and I might have taken a wrong decision. So there was literally not even a single day that I have thought such way. So I really want to figure out what life brings, and one thing that I've always kept in mind is everything happens for a reason. So if that job was not for me, and if God really had some better plans for me, so it's the best decision to not go and pursue anything that is no longer making me feel happy. So I feel extremely glad and extremely grateful that now I can actually do things that I really want to do, and I can give more and more time and my focus on all of these things. And I just wanted to document this so that when I look back to it and when I've literally achieved or have grown into the life, I can literally see this video and I will not have this regret that you should have not left that job and you could have done better. So that was all for the video. If you liked the video, do comment your thoughts, like, share, subscribe.